Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Mike with Mike's Car Hole. Today I'm going to be putting a K&N air filter on my Volkswagen as well. The difference between the Evo and this one is I don't actually know the mileage on this, and this is my wife's car. She drives it predominantly, so I know this thing's pretty good on gas mileage. I suspect it'll improve a little bit, but I won't be able to get back to you like I was able to on the Evo. So I'll just get into it and show you how to do it. So starting out, hood pull. And then if you've never opened one of these hoods before, let's see if I can show you. There's just right here, there's a little tab you push up on. And hold this with my head. So the air box is right here. It's got all these I believe it's a T20 fittings. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all those and go from there. So I'll be back in just a moment. Okay. All right, so I'm using a half drive. This is way overkill. Half drive, long extension, and it is the T20 for all of these. You definitely don't need half drive for this, but that's what size my bits were. So got them all broken loose. Quite a bit of these. You had a fram in here from before. Inside's okay. I'm gonna run a vacuum in here though before I put this new setup in. It's a little dirty. Alright, I'm gonna go get something to clear this out. All it needs, just get all the junk out of there. This one should be the correct part number. K&N, it's already oiled. For the Volkswagen, I believe it's going to be 33-2865. You can see the size comparison. Alright, that is the correct one. Alright, so now all I gotta do is just tighten all these bits back up, and that is done. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll get back to you with some more stuff in the future. Thank you.